Hi everyone, my name is Arvin Olano and welcome to my YouTube channel. So nobody asked, but in today's video, I am doing something a little bit different. Andrew and I decided that we are going to be remaking or redoing our laundry area, which in the past has been a dumping ground for random stuff. It was not aesthetically pleasing whatsoever. And right now we are in my studio, and right outside my door is actually the laundry room. So we had a vision of using a lot of natural woods and really making it into a kind of like a focal point and decorate it, of course, so that it looks really aesthetically pleasing when we're walking past that area. Now, I did already start redoing the area, and by I mean Andrew. He's actually the handyman for this project, and I'm going to be showing you clips of him cutting the wood. And okay, so Andrew just called me out to help him cut the wood. Wish me luck. We actually used a butcher block that we got from Lowe's. We used that as kind of the counter space, and he did all the measuring. I helped kind of hold the wood in place so that he could cut it. So we actually put the butcher block in yesterday, and it was a lot harder than we thought. The space is a little bit tight, so we were trying to really get in there. And you'll see in the clips, I had to climb into the washer and dryer area. It was like a big thing. It took a few hours, but we finally got that piece in, which was perfect. We put the two shelves right on top. So today we are going to spackle around the areas that are kind of like dented and leftovers from the previous shelf. And of course, I'm going to take you along. I'm going to show you all the decor pieces that I'm going to use, which I will link everything down below. It's all current stuff from Target. I'm so excited to start decorating. I think we also have to paint a little bit. Let me go and show you what is going on. And actually, I'm gonna do this kind of like a vlog style, very casual, like informal, and like, let me know if you like it. All right, so this is currently what the laundry area looks like. Sorry, the lighting is not the best in this area because there's no windows, but as you can see, the butcher block is on, the shelves are on, and we are now waiting for the spackle. Andrew actually did all of that while I was getting ready. And so now we have to paint over all of those areas. We have to paint the bottom of the shelf. That way it looks a little bit more finished. But for now, I mean, it's looking so good and I can't wait to decorate it. There's this area up here too that I think needs like some sort of art piece. I'm just not sure. I might have to do that for a later project. Okay, so we are installing the downlights. And by we, I mean Andrew. He's got one done. So there's the unit. Now it's all the way up there. He's gonna get the second one now. And this is just gonna make the laundry area really nice. Okay, so I am trying to help out as much as I can by handing everything that Andrew needs. For example, like the tape measure or these little caps for the wires. And that's about the extent of my skill level here.
And encouragement.
Oh, and that too. Thank you, baby.
Orange.
Okay, here you go. Okay, so you can see that the downlights are now installed, and good lighting is key for making your home feel a little bit more luxe. We used Lutron lights we got it from Lowe's this morning, and we love having a smart home. This enables us to control everything by Bluetooth or by Alexa or even Siri, so we love that. All right, so now I have to clean this up just a little. Okay, if you don't own a Dyson, this is a game changer, and I'm gonna link it down below just in case you want one. It's wireless, and I used to like hate, oh my gosh, hold on, this is an awkward position. I used to hate vacuuming and cleaning, and now like I do it every single day because it's so easy. Okay, can I help?
If you want,
Or no? No. Okay. All right, everybody, the paint is still drying, but I can't wait any longer. I'm gonna start decorating. That way I can show you the final product. Now, my vision for this little area was, you know, just a classic, traditional kind of laundry room, but I know I wanted to get a lot of organizational pieces that double as decor. So, the first thing that I want to tackle is, you can see the hoses right there, and there's also a big hole. So I want to be able to cover that up, and to do that, I'm actually going to use a couple of pieces. I'm going to use this really large serving tray. I got all of these from Target. This is the Hearth and Hand collection, and I think this is for serving like, you know, food and stuff, but we are going to just kind of set it here in this area, and it's going to serve as a little housing base for our detergents and other cute accessories. So let me get that next. I'm going to use this art piece. This is from the Studio McGee collab. Wait for it. All you have to do is set it next to the hoses. That way you do not see them. And there you go. Problem fixed. All you have to do is be a little creative. Next, I actually got a couple of these like jars. I love it because it's that amber color. It really matches the rest of the house. I'm gonna put like my detergent, my Tide Pods, and anything that I want to kind of conceal in these little vessels. I got a couple of different sizes because I didn't know like which one would work better. I have the small one as well because I want to create different heights. That way you can have some visual interest even though it's just the laundry area. When you're grouping things together, you want to group them in odd numbers. So 1s, 3s, 5s. That way it's aesthetically pleasing. I don't know why it works, but it does, so trust me. Next up, I have these dryer sheets that normally come in that ugly box that's like orange or blue, and that is not the vibe. So I picked up this tiny little basket. It says Hearth and Hand. I don't know if that's gonna focus. Okay, it's not gonna focus, but this is from the Hearth and Hand collection, and basically all you have to do is place it inside, and it looks super chic and aesthetic. You know what I mean? Oh my god, it looks so good. Look. Yes. And already I'm like loving the way this is turning out. I'm creating almost like a little vignette in this section. I want to add another wire basket just here in the middle. So next I'm gonna use this terracotta vessel just to give it a little bit of change up and visual interest.
I'm leaving.
Love you.
Love you too.
So I picked up this asparagus fern, super cute, from Lowe's, and this little basket, and I thought it would be so perfect together. And I just really feel like this place needs some greenery. So she is gonna go right next to... So I'm gonna add a ceramic bowl little candle. It's in the scent Neroli. Again, from Target. These are so bomb and so affordable. So she... it's gonna go right there. So I got one of these little like hand towel racks and a cute towel. It's kind of like a white linen with a beige, no, kind of like a grayish stripe. And I love it, of course, because it matches everything that we have already going on. Don't sleep on Target, you guys. I feel like they get so many good quality decor pieces that are curated and it just kind of matches, you know? So it's kind of like one stop, one shop and go, and you're ready. So let me just get these tags off. So I kind of want to put this, actually I don't know where I put this. Okay, that's pretty cute. I feel like you should go here. Okay, I hope you can see that. I just added it to the corner, give it a little bit of height. Up next, I'm gonna line up a bunch of baskets in this next shelf. That way it just feels really cozy. You guys know I love baskets, so. The baskets that I'm gonna be using are all from the Studio McGee collab. They are great. I think it's 11 by 13, and I love them because it has this leather tab detail up here. So just those little details that help make it look a little more luxe. I got 4 of these, that way it will take up the rest of this space. Okay, so right away, I'm already loving the way it looks. You can organize and put things in the baskets, but it looks finished and decorated. I have one more basket. This one is huge. Now, this is great because it still matches everything. It's a seagrass. I love this gray kind of border at the top. It matches nicely with the napkins, and I feel like this is a perfect size to house linens, towels, anything that's a little bit larger. So this is gonna go at the top, almost as like a focal point centerpiece. Okay, and to finish it off, I have a couple more of these large wire baskets this time, and these are gonna go up at the top. It's gonna house our toilet paper and paper towels. Okay, I lied. Last but not least, I wanted to create a little drop-off zone. That way when we're going in and out of the garage, by the way, the garage door is right here. So when we're going in and out, I have this little basket moment to put in this corner. Oh, it's so cute there. So I just left it right there. That way Andrew and I can leave our keys, our wallets, anything that we would need readily. So I think that completes the little laundry room area. Oh my gosh, I love the way this turned out. All right, everybody, that was it for me today. Thank you so much for watching. I love the way this project turned out. Andrew and I worked so hard to get it done this weekend. I know he did a lot of the measuring, a lot of the building. I handled all of the decorating. It just feels a little more special that we put our blood, sweat, and tears. Okay, that might be a little bit of an exaggeration, but it feels so special that we worked on this together to make it more of a focal kind of feature point of the home. Whew! Everything will be linked down below just in case you're feeling inspired. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everyone!
Finding life alone.